music producer, so every day I try to do something to get work done, usually at 10 a.m. when I'm feeling good. But the neighbors are on college break, and I got some time to work at night. So I want to see how many songs I can get finished up before they come back. And for Bubbles Over Cleveland, my spacey sounding fun sci-fi idea, I want to do a pop bubble sound effect and see how much fun that can be. Let's get going.